Now, so I just got a thinking. I unlocked this window yesterday night too. Child Jesus. I don't get money to. Okay, but that's that. But this is what I was thinking. Um, so I don't think marriages between a older male and a younger female works. Mating, yes, good, but marriages like partners, I don't think it works. I think it should be like the man should be younger, and then the woman should be older, so that the woman would, because the older women get, yeah, the more honey they get. So now, a girl will marry at 22. You know, men, our sex drive now when they younger, women know, and when they grow older. Like that's why like they get irritated when boys are loose when they are young with their boys and they're with their guys and their friends are always like every time sex, 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 sex. It's the natural irritation. It's the natural irritation. It's like sex, 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 sex. So you go see I'm saying and they make more women they like you can't be like say they perverted when they go they touch young boys and boys go they happy. Not just normal natural thing. I want to talk am again now. I don't know that anybody they get me. I know who they say the about camera ladies. So what I think we say me now, like if I want to marry now like um if I want marry now like older woman I go marry because me now if I enter the marriage like and they young like I want the fork like back to back like I want to steady the fork. Now normal thing no be like say na normal thing. So if I deal with older woman like don't me I go dey before I go marry like stability my own stability no one. Because if you go meet the older woman you don't want hear the you come straight then be the matter na so it be na normal life na so you suppose be. I say you don't package where you don't get everything where you don't dey straight you don't know say yes I fit fend for myself fend for this one fend yes na so man be after you don't guide down guy finish come dey older woman you 27-year-old you suppose dey marry 35 years na so e suppose be. You fit say okay guy I don't know if I want to what e go mature like e go mature that not make I not say 35 like okay make I say 25 to 25 and 30-year-old 25-30-year-old yes if you born pikin like no na so e suppose be na so e suppose be na so e suppose be. You suppose marry young people say e senior you like she go come nurture you and their kind style Jesus Christ. Nothing like say before more than the fuck older people good shit I swear to God a good shit and I feel like saying that's so it's supposed to be because like if you look at the older women they get their sex drive they want and the men go the tire that's so it's be because of work and that's so it just be and that young time now you get that strength one lash and out all the fucking time that's so it just be so all these ones so I know they go be like that for a long time for a while people will complain but it will be like that not be anybody fault if at all.